Yesterday, we have delivered our lecture on de Broglie hypothesis, and we derived yesterday de Broglie equation, which is based on its dual nature. Once again, I would like to summarize as when electron, which is moving around the nuclei, can behave particle as well as wave. Particle form one can calculate as P is equals to h nu in the energy of photon and E is equals to mc square, energy of Einstein. Hence, dE, let us repeat here, that is of de Broglie equation is the sum of two important equations here, PE Planck equation, and that is of EC, that is of Einstein equation. PE Planck equation expressed as h nu, EE expressed as mc square. From both the important equations, h nu is equals to mc square, h nu is equals to mc, c square one can write as mc into c, h nu divisible by that is of c is equals to mc, since nu is equals to c upon lambda, nu upon c is equals to 1 upon lambda. So nu upon c one can write here in the form of 1 upon lambda, or this nu upon c can be replaced by 1 upon lambda, that is equals to mc. Now it has assumed here the behavior, the velocity of electrons, which will be considered electron is moving with the velocity of light, then one can write c is equals to that is of v, c is equals to as that is of v, the multiplication of mass and velocity to give a new quantity that is of momentum, p is equals to that is of mv. Hence, P is equals to mv, this will be equals to h upon lambda, or P is equals to h upon lambda, h here that is a Planck constant here, P is inversely 1 upon lambda, since h is a Planck is a constant here, so P is inversely 1 upon lambda. It is known as that is of dE, de Broglie equations. Hence, electron which is moving around the nuclei, its momentum is inversely proportional to that is of lambda. It is the fundamental equation, it is the important equation to define about the momentum situations, which will be derived by de Broglie by using Planck equation and Einstein equation. This momentum is inversely proportional to 1 upon lambda. Now questions arises here that what is the utility of de Broglie hypothesis here. De Broglie, the utility of de Broglie hypothesis here, in order to define the de Broglie hypothesis and its utility, let us again consider of electron device. Figure I have drawn on the blackboard here, where electron is moving around the nuclei here. When electron is moving around the nuclei by its two different forms, particle form and that is of wave forms, to be associated in many multiple integer of lambda, say as that is of n lambda. Since this whole circumference of the circle will be classified as that is of to create two form as that is of circumference twice pi r is equals to that is of n lambda. When electron is moving around the nuclei, it will move to develop to origin by the multiple integer of various kinds of lambda. Then whole circle, I mean to say circumference, will be equals to develop to create a many kinds of multiple integer of lambda. Twice pi r is equals to a lambda. Here, since lambda from that is of dE, that is of, lambda is equals to that is of, here lambda is equals to from this one equation, that is of lambda is equals to h upon that is of mv. You may also write down here lambda is equals to h upon mv from this equation here. So I am putting here the value of lambda is equals to h upon mv on solving further here. That is of, that here I calculate here, one can write that is of mvr, mvr is equals to nh upon that is of twice pi. mvr is equals to nh upon 2 pi, hence that is of, hence proved this mathematical expression is stated by that is of Bohr atomics model theory, hydrogen atomic model theory, that when electrons, it was the fundamental postulate in Bohr atomics model theory, that when hydrogen moving around the nuclei, the angular momentum will be equals to multiple integer of h upon 2 pi. The theoretical or its calculation value will not be expressed by Bohr atomic models theory, but it will be calculated by, it will be evaluated by that is of de Broglie. Hence it was the basic utility and utilization of de Broglie equation, that how did you may obtain the value of angular momentum of electron which is moving. Its angular momentum is multiple integer is equals to h upon 2 pi. Basically de Broglie equation actually has been used here for the experimental postulates verification of Bohr atomics models. Bohr didn't explain how this expression actually has been obtained here, derived here, but mathematical derivation was expressed by that is of de Broglie equations, de Broglie hypothesis on the behalf of that is of its that is of dE equation, h upon mv. It has been chosen here, it has been taken here, lambda is equals to h upon mv. It has been chosen here using that is of de Broglie equations, and on the behalf of concept theory of de Broglie equation, one can derive, one can prove the Bohr atomic postulates angular momentum of electron which is moving will be directly is equals to multiple integer of h upon 2 pi. It is the outstanding that is of utility of Bohr's that is of utility of de Broglie hypothesis. After the utility of de Broglie hypothesis, now we are going to discuss the next topic in this series, experimental verification of de Broglie hypothesis. Here the de Broglie theoretical consideration was given by de Broglie, but the experimental verifications made by that is of Davison and that is of Germer, Davison and that is of Germer, Davison and that is of Germer, that is of experiment here. De Broglie concept, de Broglie hypothesis later on was explained, experimentally proved by Davison and Germer. Bohr's concept, Bohr's theory was proved by de Broglie, and de Broglie's theory was proved by experimentally verified by that is of Davison and Germer. Davison and Germer The illustrated diagram I have mentioned on the blackboard here, in which S denote that is of light source on this blackboard here. I am drawing here, I am mentioning here the Davison-Germer experiment diagram here. Now we are going to draw about the experimental verification of de Broglie hypothesis, which was proved by that is of Davison and Germer. Here S denote the heat source or light source. We are taking here that is of P denotes that is of any nickel crystal here. Now a beam of light, intensity of light is incident. Allow to incident to absorb on this nickel crystal. Then now it had been that is of reflected on that is of microscopic cylindrical spell here. The rotation or the angle it varies by the moment of, by the different intensity of heat source which we are going to allow to incident on this nickel crystal here at various angle of that is of rotation at theta here, and that is of emitted radiations is now recorded here on spectroscopic or spherical microscopic that is of scale here. Generally Davison and Germer has observed here the following that is of pattern photographic design here. I am mentioning here like one that is of this one here, X-ray pattern figure that is of 2, that is of X-ray design pattern, X-ray design pattern here, X-ray design pattern here to denote as that is of wave, and similarly that is of Davison and that is of Germer. Observe on the photographic spherical plate the photographic shape as that is of obtained by Davison and Germer. Figure 2 that is of figure 1 that is of electronic diffraction that is of pattern, electronic diffraction pattern that it actually has been verified, proved by Davison and that is of Germer. Davison and that is of Germer, and it has been particle form, wave form that is of this equation was proved by that is of Bragg equations as that is of 2d sine theta is equals to that is of L lambda. It is the standard diffraction design. It is standard design of X-ray, since X-ray acts as wave, which was firstly optically phenomena. Its nature about waves actually have been derived and proved by that is the Bragg equation 2d sine theta is equals to L lambda here. Since it is standard electronic diffraction pattern here with on the behalf of Davison and Germer, who firstly verified experimental verification made by that is of Davison with the collaboration of Germer here at various angle of theta, when various intensity of light source actually allowed to incident on this nickel crystal at various angle theta, and the emitted radiations like this one I would like to apply to here, that is of many intensity of light actually had been allowed on this here that is of a crystal here, like this one like that is of a crystal one here. Davison and Germer allowed to beam here many crystal here. The emission of light is now again sent. Now emitted light is now of X-ray is that is of recorded here in that is of spherical that is of cylindrical cell at various angles, and on photographic plate The device electronic diffraction pattern is now produced, and by developing an enlarging, that is a spectrophotometrical method, it has been produced here that its spectrum, its photograph, just like similar to that is of spherical form, which is similar to that is of X-ray electronic diffraction pattern. X-ray diffraction pattern which acts is in the form of wave, experimentally verified by that is Braggs, and similar spectacle dotted line inside spotted lines present stomach of the circle. Stomach of this that is of a circle here were also produced by that is of a Davison and Germer. So that it becomes essential that it cannot be denied here that the nature of particles of electron must be its that is of dual nature. Rest uncertainty principle we will consider. We will discuss this for tomorrow. Thank you very much.